Hey everyone, welcome back to Master Google Ads with Ruthvik style. So if you're running Google search ads and want to automate your ads to capture more potential customers, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be teaching you about dynamic search ads, which we call it as a DSA of digital marketing. So we'll learn how they work, why they're powerful, and how to set them step by step. So if you want to save time, improve ad relevancy, and boost conversions, stay with me till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my Google Ads playlist for more tutorials. So what are dynamic search ads? So this is the second type of search ad. We are already done with the first search ad, which is a responsive search ad or standard search ad. Please check out that video in the playlist. So coming to this dynamic search ad, unlike regular searches ads where you manually add keywords and write headlines, the dynamic search ads generally automates ad headlines and landing pages based on your website content. And it's basically you should just give the description and the headlines will be given automatically from the Google. So Google scans your website, understand what it's about, and then matches it to the relevant user searches, all without needing keywords. So no keyword research in this. So this is perfect for e-commerce stores, large websites, or businesses with consultancy updating content, like constantly updating their content. So while using a dynamic search ad, it saves time, no need to manually add keywords. It's generate high relevant headlines based on the user search. It covers missing keywords opportunity. It helps drive both traffic and conversions. So let's do the dynamic search. So you come back to a Google Ads account, go to the campaign level, and select your ad groups, campaign, and go to the ad group. And in this ad group, we already made a campaign in last session. Please rewind that session for how to create a campaign. And this now we are creating an ad group of dynamic search. So we'll be clicking creating an ad group. Yes. So here you see set up an ad group option. To change it to dynamic, click on continue. Yes, let's create data click dynamic search. It's about sales and search ad. We are creating it on 17th of March. Yes. And so in this, we have some categories according to, we have already given a this website link in the campaign level. So no need of changing any link because in the campaign level it's already automated and selected the types of categories which are available for our dynamic search. So this all are the categories available in the websites. So yes, I'm going to select all the 609 categories for this, the specific web pages. So I already give it a web page. So if you want to give, you can add this website over here. Click on add. And now click on save and continue. Yes, this is a dynamic search ad, and final URL will be generated based on such search. Like I'll say you an example. If anyone searches on, they want a Levi's khaki regular fit striped shirt, then this product will be updated in the Google search engine result in their profile. So let me give you an example. So I'm searching for a gimbal. So okay, okay, like it's not sponsored, but I'm taking an example. So up to 50% of the gimbals online, and this all this like I'm selecting this, then getting the category page. So this is not generated by everyone, it's generated by the Google according to the people search. So this is called the dynamic search what we are doing over here. We just need to give the description of this, and this will be the same in everything. I'll show you how to create. So headline is already generated by the Google. The display URL and final URL is automatically generated by the Google, and description. In this, we need to give a description like it should reflect for every product. Let it be if people do for clothing, it should not show a refrigerator in that. If people are searching about refrigerator, it should not show about watches. It should be everything like what are products available at Data Click. It should be generating the description of it overall. So let's ask ChatGPT and let's see that's a 90 characters limit. You can only give the 90 characters of description over there. And yes, let's refresh this page. Here we go. This is nice. We'll ask more. We'll ask like we'll see the best one and do shop 20 fashion gadgets. Okay, upgrade your style. Find your pudding. Yes, yes, yes. Like this one, like shop branded clothes. So we are targeting about more about clothes. So I am selecting this, and remember to remove this exclamatory mark. The Google do not allow this types of symbols in their ads. So please remove them, and we'll use a brand name. We'll use one brand name so it will be relevant to it. Yes, I'm done. That's it, guys. We have done the first dynamic search ad. There's the second type of search ad which we have done. And yes, guys. So guys, I have an update for you guys. So if anyone have any separate doubts or any queries, they can mail me. I in the description I upload my mail or LinkedIn. They can message me over there so I can connect with you one by one while doing a Google Meet or a Teams. And also, yeah, thank you guys.